Hey everybody, it's Kevin. Welcome to another short teaser video of just some of the content that we're going to be covering in the one-day Retail Managers Bootcamp that we're running in Toronto on October 18th. The response to this program's been nothing short of fantastic. We're more than half sold out already. It's going to be an amazing program to say the least. So let me give you an indication of what's going to be happening in this module here. Standards. Running your store the right way every day. For those who know me, this is always a popular module. It's a tough one, I'm not gonna lie to you. I tell people, listen, there is one way to run your store, and that's the right way. And the problem that we have in retail is that all too often we don't live up to those basic minimum standards in the store. You know, the basic things like dress code and housekeeping and merchandising and service and selling and loss prevention and administration. And when we aren't executing those standards, the entire brand experience for customers, for staff, for results, all that starts to fade away. So this module is so important because we'll give your managers the skills, the ideas, the systems, the foundations for actually getting their stores to run the right way. And when you do that, everybody's experience gets better, not just the customers, but the staffs. The stress level comes down and we can get on with building our businesses because we're not just babysitting people in the store, chasing them around, putting out fires. Look, this module will get you guys going on the right foot. So get your manager signed up into this program. There's only a couple days left in the early bird. It expires August 31st. It will not be extended. So click the link above and we'll see you in the program.